If you're looking for a good pet carpet powder deodorizer, this is actually made from corn cobs, which I like. This is what it looks like. We're gonna pour it out. It's got a little area here we're gonna treat, but it has a fresh laundry scent, at least this one does. So put the cap back on there and you just open it up and we'll just go ahead and sprinkle it on to the spot we wanna treat. You don't wanna put this on a wet spot. If you do, you can, it's not recommended. You gotta wait for it to dry and you're gonna kind of wipe it up and then vacuum it. This is going to be great for maintenance, right? So when you get those areas, treat it with this, okay? And then vacuum it up and clean it. And then of course this rug here, our little Yorkie, he's always, unfortunately, urinating and sometimes he comes in here. So we can actually throw this rug into the washing machine. So we do that, but in between, this is a great maintenance product. So let's see how it vacuums up. So we'll go ahead and just vacuum it up. There we go. Let's give it the smell test. And that area smells really good, nice and fresh, just like this carpet powder. So in addition to neutralizing odor and helping control moisture, this is actually going to reduce static electricity as well. And I feel like I have barely used any of this in here. So this is going to last you a really long time. Stay on top of all of your pets' little tinkles and sprinkles in the house with this pet carpet powder. They did a good job with it. Pick it up. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.